we will discuss about mind. If you ask anybody what is life, what is mind, what is God, majority will listen for some time and then they will be busy in their mundane affairs. And there will be majority of them will be saying, Sanjay, we don't want to listen your ideologies about mind, life and God. What we want is money, comforts. If you have money, then you have most of the things. So majority is after money. They are busy and in making money, moving here and there, have no time for themselves. And when some problem strikes, they get depressed, then they get angry, and then they say how to get out of this. Now, I know it is bad to be angry, but even then I get angry. My question to myself is why? Maybe I use the contents of the mind to trace the answer without understanding mind itself. What is mind? What is the structure of mind? Mind composes of number 1 is the thinker, number 2 is the natural controller, number 3 is the memory, number 4 is the ego, and number 5th is the background. Now, thinker is the judge, natural controller is the subtle manager of the body, memory is the storehouse, ego is, we all know, is I, and background is the rear of thinker, natural controller, memory and ego. Someone calls you foolish. Now a sound entered into the ears, mind converted the sound and interpreted it with the help of knowledge stored in the memory and found it as bad description, and the self-image or the ego is hurt. Thinker judges that the other person is stronger in money, power, whatever, etc. Thus decides to keep mum. Then what was the role of natural controller? Functions of the body are operated by natural controller. It is a very important task, my friends. Whenever the body feels comfortable, the natural controller puts it in feel good slot, and whenever the body feels pain, it puts into feel bad slot. The knowledge of body and pain and pleasure is in natural controller. Perhaps you must have noticed that many times there is stress in mind. The basic reason for that is the disharmony between the natural controller and the thinker. Thinker is the deciding factor. It compares with the voice of natural controller, its own voice, and if both are not in conformity, then there is stress. The thinker operates with the help of memory, and the base is the ego. Now we will discuss how thought is generated. From the day we are born, there is a constant recording of events in the memory of mind. These events include all the experiences, knowledge, which is entered through the 5 inputs, that is ear, skin, nose, eyes and tongue. The mind constitutes of thinker, natural controller, memory, ego and background. The raw data entered in memory include both the good or required data and also the bad, the non-required data. On the demand of ego and body, which can be positive or negative, the thought is generated. Once the thought is generated, there is thinker, I. Then this thinker starts thinking on the basis of ego and body with the help of stored database. The stored data is in the form of words, numbers, sound and pictures. This everything is happening with the background of nothing. All things are generated, organized and destroyed in nothing. In the background of nothing, all the play of something and everything is taking place. If this background sees the entire working of mind, there is harmony, there is peace, there is no stress or tension, then the thought is utilized. Thought will not create tension, which is happening in most of the humans. Now, what happens when the background illuminates? When the background illuminates, there is total peace. The mind becomes still. As the entire structure of the mind is exposed, there is bliss. Things are sorted out, there is no aggression. Everything looks beautiful, life is understood. New discoveries take place. Relationships become good. There is no stress in daily life. Tensions are freed or released. There is energy and vitality. You enjoy food and all the daily mundane affairs. The circus of life stops. Your potential increases, the productivity of work is enhanced, there is zest in life. Interest in work increases, life becomes beautiful. Let us do a case study. Now, if someone insults you, what happens? You get angry, you react. First of all, what is an insult? You have an image of your own, now someone does not acknowledge this image. The image is broken, and with that you are also broken. You get angry, your ego is hurt badly, you lose harmony, and there is resentment. You boil. Now let us peep inside. The other is inferior according to you, and luckily the other also has the same feeling about you. What is feeling? I feel cold during winters and hot during summers. It is body feeling. I feel happy when I get money. I feel bad when I lose money. It is mind feeling. Emotion is due to your perception of feeling. He is an emotional man. How you feel about things is your own perception. I have an impression that I am very learned. I am very intelligent and others are less compared to me. It is due to the mindset. How the image is made? It is a process created by ignorance of the true self. Major source of image making is based on surroundings, that is, the environment in which one is brought up, the influence of tradition, culture, and parents. It is a layer on I-ness. It is also interesting to note how the feelings are labeled, given names, and then put into memory of the mind. At later stage, we will discuss how these memory slots are updated with new experiences. As discussed earlier, mind stores memory in form of words, sound, numbers and pictures. What if the feelings are not labeled, named or tagged? Then the mind will not be able to register it in the memory. Once the feeling is not registered in the memory, then the deposition of memory of the same feeling will also stop, and it will affect the generation of thought on aforementioned feelings. This will occur at the thinker level. At the natural controller level, which is linked with body, the operation of feelings will remain unaffected. That is, you will still receive the good and bad feelings through your senses. That is, ear, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Just they will not register in the memory of the brain cells of the mind for future reference. And when this happens, friends, then the stress generated by thinking, feeling and judgment will also stop. For all this to happen, the background needs to be activated, which can see all this. Background will be activated by wisdom, Wisdom can be had by understanding the ignorance.